I'm going to skip to the first question, the last question first, get to the point. What is the value of x? I'm going to come up to my diagram and find that this length is what I'm looking for. Now let's go see what else I know about this. It says a summer camp counselor wants to find the length x in feet across a lake as represented in the sketch above. So this sketch right here is that of the lake. The lengths represented by AB, EB, BD, and CD on the sketch were determined to be 1,800 feet, 1,400 feet, 700 feet, and 800 feet, respectively. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and label. So it says AB is 1,800, so AB is 1,800. EB is 1,400, so that's right here, 1,400. BD is 700, so that's this right here, 700, and CD is 800. There we go. Segments AC and DE intersect at point B, okay? And angle AEB, so angle AEB, that would mean this angle right here, and CDB, so CDB, that would be this angle here, have the same measure. What is the value of x? So that's a whole lot of information. But what I determined from what I've been given is these angles are congruent angles, meaning they are the same size, which means that the corresponding sides are going to be proportional. So what it means is that these are similar triangles. This big triangle and this little triangle are similar triangles. They have an angle that measures the same size, but they don't necessarily have to have sides that measure the same size. Only the proportion of their sides are the same. And what does that mean? So if I take a look at this angle right here, to the right of it, I have 1,400. The corresponding side for EB would be BD, right? So I can say that the proportion of 1,400 to 700 is going to be the same as whatever my x is right here, and the corresponding side for x is 800 right here. Okay, and then I can cross multiply and solve for x. 700x is equal to 1,400 times 800 is, let me see, I have 4 zeros, that's 32, that's 1,120,000. And then I'm going to divide by 700 from both sides. X is equal to, alright, let's see, I can get rid of these 2 zeros here. Now I have 11,200 divided by 7. So 7 goes into 11,200 how many times? Well, 7 goes into 11 once. That gives me 7 right there. 11 minus 7 is 42. That's 6. There we go. Bring those zeros here. So x is equal to 1,600.